In this video, we got a 96 Land Cruiser Prado. I'm going to show you how to replace the factory radio and update it with something new with Apple CarPlay and whatnot. Alright, so I got this nice Sony unit from Walmart for $250. It was probably the cheapest CarPlay and Android Auto unit I could find. And so it's double DIN, but it's kind of single DIN at the same time, as in the faceplate is double DIN, but the back fits in one DIN. And then got this as well to fit it in there. Well, I've already wired it up, so that's pretty easy, match the colors and all that. And we'll get to the install. Alright, first gotta take this whole plastic thing off. This is my solution to connecting a phone to the stock stereo, but I'm gonna get rid of that. So you want to pry up here and then release that clip. So there's clip here, here, and then two at the bottom. Just kind of rip and grip. Like so. And then you can unplug all these things or just kind of leave it out the way. And then there's 4 screws holding the brackets. These. And then this. And then antenna. These were for this little card reader thing I have that I'm guess gonna get rid of. The card reader, they have all this extra shit in here that I'm gonna take out. Okay. So I had this thing to get the US FM frequencies on the Japanese radio, which I won't need anymore. And it broke. Alright. And so we've got our adapter harness. I'm just gonna figure out which one of these plugs go in it. That one plugs there. And this guy plugs here. So I guess that for different model cars. And then this actually came with some blank out things. Put just in case. Oh. Alright. Now just gonna swap these brackets onto the new stereo. Other thing is the microphone. I'm gonna have to hide somewhere. Lazy and not take off that panel. There we go. Much better. And then zip tie this up. Alright. Got that. Now I just gotta plug this guy in right there. Upside down. Then we got this guy goes in the mic, which is red. And then our antenna. Boom. Now I gotta stuff all this back in there. And let's hide this guy. Just have it coming down here. Looks good. Okay. These vents sometimes pop off, so you gotta put them back. Like so. This guy. And snap it all back together. But maybe I should try it first, I guess, to make sure it turns on. Alright. We got it. And that's the gist of it. And then snap all this shit back, and you got an Apple CarPlay / Android Auto radio. That's nice and actually makes this look really nice. Alright, so I got the iPhone cable, and then I have this old iPhone 6. And then, yeah, if this cord works.
Like they were hella musical and hella unpredictable.
CarPlay.
Let's get into Come My Way, Crazy Bone, off the album, Few Good Things.
So yeah, works pretty good. I like this particular Sony style stereos with the controls at the bottom, mainly because you got all this instead of how most radios have it on the left side for, of course, left-hand drive, whereas we're right-handers now. And it's just, to me, easier down here. So yeah, that's the end of my video. Thanks.